When new technology appears, it usually feels like magic, right up until governments realize they have absolutely no idea how to regulate it. Today we're exploring why innovation almost always outruns regulation, and why this gap isn't just annoying, it's inevitable, and sometimes even necessary.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
Let's start with the obvious. Technology grows exponentially. Think Moore's law, the observation that computing power doubles roughly every 2 years. Originally noted by Gordon Moore in 1965, and still directionally true today, according to IEEE Spectrum analyses. Breakthroughs like CRISPR gene editing appeared in 2012, thanks to Doudna and Charpentier's landmark paper in Science. Regulation? That came years later, because lawmakers needed data, public input, safety consensus, and, let's be honest, time to Google what CRISPR even means. Drones showed up in consumer markets way faster than aviation laws could adapt. FAA reports between 2013 and 2023 repeatedly mention the challenge of integrating thousands of new UAVs into airspace that was designed when flying robots on Amazon deliveries sounded like sci-fi. In social media, Pew Research studies from 2018 to 2023 show massive psychological and societal impacts, many only discovered after platforms had already reshaped global communication. Regulation came late because the consequences weren't visible until billions of users were already on board. Autonomous vehicles face similar issues. NHTSA reports between 2016 and 2024 highlight the uncertain, evolving safety datasets. It's the Collingridge dilemma. Tech is easiest to influence early on, when no one knows what to regulate, and hardest to influence later, when it's already everywhere. So why does regulation move slowly? Because it's designed to protect society through caution. Policymakers need evidence, risk assessments, and democratic oversight. Innovation, meanwhile, is driven by experimentation, competition, and cost curves dropping faster than my attention span in a 4-hour meeting. Everett Rogers' Diffusion of Innovation's theory explains how new tech spreads across society, from innovators to laggards. Regulation usually kicks in after early adopters reveal both the benefits and problems. By design, it reacts rather than predicts. This isn't because regulators are slow. It's because societies value safety, ethics, and fairness. The European Commission's 2000 statement on the Precautionary Principle emphasizes that decisions must be evidence-based, not rushed. But the future doesn't have to be a constant chase. Many countries are adopting adaptive regulation, sandbox testing, rapid response committees, horizon scanning for emerging tech, and collaboration between scientists and policymakers. This approach lets innovation happen quickly, without the oops moments that show up in history books. Think of it as speed-running innovation with guardrails. So next time you see a shiny new gadget, AI breakthrough, or biotech miracle, remember, if it feels like no one is regulating it yet, that's partly because the world is still trying to understand what it is. Now I want to hear from you. Which technology do you think most desperately needs better regulation? And which one should governments stay out of entirely? Drop your thoughts below, and let's debate the future.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.